Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the first time setup of the Google Pixel 9a. Let's get started. First thing first, power on your phone by holding down the power button. You will see the classic Google logo followed by the welcome screen. Here you can select your language. You will find a wide range of options including many Indian languages. For this tutorial, I will stick with the default English India. Once you have made your choice, just tap Get Started. If you are upgrading from another Android phone or even an iOS device, you can easily copy over your settings and accounts by keeping your old device nearby and selecting the appropriate option. For a clean slate, I am going to skip this step for now. Now it is time to connect to Wi-Fi. Select your network from the list. Enter your password. You are good to go. You also have the option to set up offline. But I will connect to Wi-Fi. Your phone will then take a few minutes to get ready and check network information. Next, you will choose whether to set up this phone for yourself or for a child in your family. I will select for myself and tap Next. You will then have the option to log into your Google account. For this demonstration, I will skip this for now. You will see a confirmation pop-up reminding you of the features you will miss while not logging in. Just tap Skip to confirm. Similarly, for the mobile network, you can set up an eSIM or insert a physical SIM card. I will do this later, so I will tap Skip twice to confirm. Now, let us set up a PIN. You can tap to change the lock screen options, which include pattern, PIN or password. I will skip this for now and confirm by tapping Skip again. You will then see the Google Services screen. Take a moment to review them and uncheck any you don't wish to accept and then tap Accept. After that, you will see warranty information and safety features. Just tap Next on both. Review any additional apps that are suggested. You can keep all of them or uncheck the ones you don't want. Once you are done, tap OK and wait for a moment. Finally, you can learn navigation gestures by tapping Try It Now. The on-screen tutorials will guide you through how to navigate your new Pixel phone. Once you have completed them, tap Done. You're all set. Now swipe up to go home. To see your notification area, swipe down from the top left of the screen. Here, you will find an option to finish setting up your device, allowing you to update any steps you have skipped during the initial setup. That's it for this quick video on how to set up your Pixel 9a for the first time. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks videos.